Oh boy. Woo, get inside that barn. It is raining like crazy. The front pasture is flooded. Water is starting to come inside the barn. We gotta open all the gates.
Come on, Annie.
Water's up to her ankles.
Come on, baby. Come on. No, let's go to the porch. Stop, stop, babe.
Shirley, we're trying to save your little life. Now go.
Love your daddy. Annie, you gotta come out, baby.
All right. Stay in here. Whew. Annie, you can come inside, baby. I know you're scared. Come back, though.
Come on, Annie. Come here, baby. It's okay. Good girl. Come on. Come up top. Come up top. Don't hide there. Come on. Come on, girls.
So it's gotten quite a bit deeper here, up to my knees. All right, so all the animals at this point have been secured. Look who is the smartest one of all of them. Look who is the smartest one out of the bunch. So we've opened up the doors to the barn house, and we've allowed some of the animals to go inside and hang out. As you can see, Ringo is pretty much making himself at home. We're hoping the rain will eventually slack off. Come, look at this one. He's in the barn, floating. There's a floating bag of cat food, and he's eating it. Ollie! The small animals have already been transported down to the road, and they're in trailers. Annie Bananas is inside the house. Everything's been secured. It's getting late. It'll be dark here in another hour or so. We're okay for the night. It's been a scary day. Check this out. 3 days later, everything's back to normal. All the animals are all laid out in the sunshine. Feels good. They're getting that sun on their backs. Hi, Danny. Hi, Danny boy. Everyone good? Oh, hey, Shirley Bird. Hi, beautiful baby girl. You hungry? Ringo! Hi, Mr. Ringo! So, as you can see, everything's dried up nicely.